Hi friends, today we are making a super cute origami, a rabbit bookmarker. All you need is one paper and two hands. Let's fold. Once there was a little rabbit who didn't run from books. It jumped right into them. While others saw paper, it saw portals. Every page was a meadow, every chapter a new adventure. It wasn't the fastest, but it always found its way, with curiosity and big listening ears. And now it waits quietly at the corner of your book, ready to hop into your next story with you. In old tales, rabbits were more than cute and quiet. They were symbols of cleverness, gentle courage, and good fortune. So maybe this little paper bunny brings a little luck with every chapter you read. If you like this fall, subscribe so you don't miss the next paper magic and share this to your craft friend. Thank you!